What it do? What it do? Is another trading recap. It's a Monday, January 13, 2025, and as you could see from today's performance, it was really bad. It was really bad, and I really do not have nobody else to blame but me. And honestly, the only reason it's bad today is because one, I didn't have a good mindset. Honestly, I just did not have a good mindset today. Today was one of those days where I knew that I shouldn't even trade because, well, I was just not right there. And to be 100% blunt with you, this is something most traders will not show you. But basically, yesterday, Sunday, I got invited by my father-in-law to basically go see a basketball game. And am I gonna tell my father-in-law no? Like, no, I'm gonna have a good time with him. I'm gonna drink it up with him. And don't get me wrong, we had a good time, a little bit more than what I'm basically used to. And basically today, this morning, one, I woke up late. Two, I was not in the right mindset. And three, I told myself plenty of times, do not trade today. Please do not trade today. But it is what it is, it's already in the books, it's already in history. I cannot do nothing. Am I going to cry over this loss? No, I'm not. I'm basically just going to pick back right up and honestly do things way more better. And well, this mistake that I did, I'm basically going to slap myself two times. Slap myself one time because what I did, I basically broke my rule of not trading today, and I'm gonna slap myself two times, the second time because, well, so I could remember for the future and I won't do this same mistake again. And honestly, I don't really care that I lost money. Well, obviously, I do care about that, but I'm like really disappointed in myself because, well, because I'm supposed to show you guys like good things, but this is like a really rookie mistake, and I feel like, I don't know, I'm just disappointed at myself because, well, because I don't want to show you guys like the bad things that I'm doing, and to me, I told you guys plenty of times that I'm disciplined, and I messed up. And you know what? We're humans. Nobody is 100%. Nobody is 100% perfect. And you know what? I did mess up, but like I'm telling you guys, am I gonna dwell over this? Am I going to cry over this? No. I'm basically just going to get back in the wagon and be the disciplined person that I know I am, and just do better, especially for my trading performance and for you guys as well, because you guys do motivate me to just keep on going. And well, enough yapping. Let's get to my 7 trades that I did today. And well, yeah, we're down $84 today. In the month, we're down about $289. And well, yeah, just going to take these base hits, small base hits, and if we see something good, we're basically going to take a little bit more risk and see if we could basically come out profitable this month. Just to show you my last month, December. December was like the number one month that was profitable, my first profitable month. And I came out with $420, which was very good. And you could see my performance every single week. It was just really good. I was killing it, keeping my losers small, and then just when I win, I'm gonna win big. And I know I could do this again, and I know it's inside of me, and that's why I'm like really happy about myself, even though I'm losing this month, because I have a skill that nobody could take away from me. I know how to make money from the market and extract money from the market and basically pay me. And that's a beauty about being profitable, a profitable trader, because you could start from zero and you could get it all back. And that's the importance of skills in general, building the right skills. But yeah, enough yapping. Let's go to my trading log and let's see what we did today. So yeah, today we did 7 trades. These 3, they're really small, honestly, small position size. So I really don't want to waste my time showing you guys. But I had SLRX, let's see where we messed up. So I seen this $5 break, and I was like, okay. I waited for price to do its thing, as you could see, these top wicks. This top wick, it basically means that price broke above, and emotional traders, FOMO traders, they basically get in, and then they basically get dragged back down. So that's why you try not to, if you do see a breakout, don't necessarily just emotionally, or don't react to it and buy the breakout right away at the top, because it could basically come back down. And yeah, if the price breaks above a certain zone, just wait for it to either confirm the breakout, keep on making more green candles towards the upside, or wait for it to come down and retest. And usually it's because when a price comes down to retest like whatever zone it breaks above, I kind of don't like it, because it means that it's a weak breakout. Because if there's really strong buying pressure, I just want to see the price break all the way above and just keep on going. But it is what it is. So yeah, we waited for price to do its thing, and then I bought 25 shares at 480 on this small pullback, and then I set my stop loss below that, because if it's gonna make a new lower low, then I'm gonna just get stopped out. And this was a good trade because I got stopped out on this candle. I basically got stopped out at 465 for 3%. And yeah, it was a good trade. But it could be 100% better. It could always be 100% better. So now I'm noticing that, what can I improve in this one? This trade wasn't bad because I had a planned entry and stop loss, but waiting for a pullback to the 45 EMA, which is the EMA, would have been a better entry. It had one fake out before making the move I expected. And the fake out was basically right here, where it just came below EMA, but it was holding 380. And I could have bought here and just waited, and then got shot all the way up. But yeah, we could do that next time. That's why we journal our trades, right? So we could learn from our mistakes. And well, I'm sorry if I sound kind of weird, because I'm really, really weak right now. It's 3:45. I've been sleeping the whole day because I'm so out of it. But it is what it is. And the thing I've been noticing, that honestly, healthcare, biotechs, in small caps, healthcare, biotech companies, they're the ones that basically always make crazy moves. So if I see news like an FDA approval with a biotech, I'll usually go hard, because they always make these crazy moves. All right, then FIO was today's. FIO, honestly, it did crazy ass move today. It went from 226 pre-market all the way to $9, $9.80. It was like a 450% move today. And this is where it basically messed me up. And this trade basically set the tone for the rest of the day, because at 850 I seen FIO, it basically it broke above its pre-market's highs, and then it had a bounce. It basically retested the pre-market high. So it broke above pre-market highs of 431, and then came back down. It basically bounced from the 45 EMA perfectly, and this is why I love the 45 EMA. If you guys want to know my settings and want me to break down my indicators, feel free to comment down below, and I will do just that. So yeah, we seen this bounce from 431. I seen a strong buying candle, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna enter. But I sold right away. And today, I just don't know why I traded today, but it is what it is. And that was like an emotional sell, because it was like if I was scalping, and I'm trying to scalp with like 240. And honestly, this is where I got a lot of FOMO. Because I entered really good. I had a good entry at 485. And then it made this big move all the way to $9. So I was like, man, if I could have just hold it, but shoulda, coulda, woulda. We cannot dread on what we could have done. We just gotta do better next time. So 485, I wasn't even in there for like one full minute, but I just sold it real quick for 268, made $6.50. And right there, I was up like $5 on the day, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna call it quits. I'm not in the best mindset to perform, but I just got greedy. Point and blank, I really just got greedy. And okay, with this one, what can we improve? Have a well thought out plan for all my trades, position size, entry, and exit, especially exit targets. I cannot just enter blindly, and I cannot just be doing that where I'm entering and then selling right away. I need targets so I could basically take advantage of this big move that it basically did. And okay, lithium. There's like I forgot, but this company, I've been following this since the longest. But lithium, it basically had the $1 break, and right here I reacted to this breakout. So with trading, you're either reacting or you're anticipating. And for the most part, every time I react, I tend to lose money. And when you anticipate, you make way more money, but at the same time, it's more risky because you're trying to predict what it will do. But don't get me wrong, anticipating, that's where that's where I usually make the most money. So yeah, we had a breakout of $1, right? And then I was just waiting for more candles to form. And then I seen this big green candle, and I was like, you know what? We're just gonna break past $1 finally, and probably even go to like $2, $3, or whatever, you know. And I just wanted like 10-20%. I really don't want the whole bone. I just want to take meat off the bone. But same thing, I entered and I had a tight stop loss, and I just got stopped out for like not even one full percent. Okay, what can I improve? The MACD will tell you the truth. Never buy if the MACD is crossing to the downside, because that's a bearish sign. And as you can see, like it broke above, but the MACD was going to cross to the downside, and it basically did. Okay, so that was lithium. And then my worst trade of the day. This is the worst trade of the day, and after I did this, I was just like really disappointed in myself. Really disappointed in myself because one, I went in with a big position size. I bought 100 shares at something that was really extended, something that was at $8. And if you know me, I do not like trading like nothing past like $3, especially buying 100 shares at something that's trading $8. Like that's really rare for me to do. But I'm telling you, I got FOMO. I seen this stock go from $2 all the way to like $9, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just take the stab. I'm gonna just take the risk. Whew, man. I feel like I'm overworking myself. Okay, so $8 position size. I had a $800 position size, which was really dumb. But why did I enter? So okay, we topped out at like 960 or 950, and then we came back down, and then I seen price consolidate. It consolidated, and as soon as I entered, we had this big dip to the 45 EMA. And again, like as you can see, I'm pretty sure you guys are seeing for the most part, in the 1 minute time frame, the price always respects the 45 EMA. Like it did right here. It respected it very nicely, and it bounced away from it. And this was my entry. This was where I sold. Was supposedly, if I would have bought the bounce that I did on the 45 EMA, I would have been good, you know. But once again, this is why we're journaling our trades, and I should just enter all the time when it comes down to the 45 EMA, because it respects it very, very nicely. But literally, as soon as I bought, I was like, okay, we're consolidating, price is consolidating. I'm gonna enter, and I'm gonna just sell to like the highs. But as soon as I entered, I didn't even have time to put my stop loss. And then we just gapped down, and I just cut my loss quick. And I lost 10% on that, which I lost $87. I was in there for like 1 minute. And I cut my loss quick because you know what? I'm not going to buy something. I'm not going to hold and hope, because that's something you do not want to do. Like if you lose, cut your loss quick. That's it. Because it could have been worse. I could have easily. No, this is why trading is the hardest, especially for newbies. Because once you lose like this, our natural human instinct is to just go and get that money back, get our lick back. And if you are not disciplined, if you're not a disciplined trader, then you're just going to be chasing your losses, chasing, and then digging yourself a deeper and deeper and deeper hole. And it was already like midday, and I know it really helps to be grateful, to just like look back at your progress and be grateful that you're still profitable, you know. And this is where an abundant mindset comes, and it comes real in clutch, because you just gotta basically look at the whole bigger picture and know that today is basically not going to make you or break you. We have plenty of more trading days to the year, especially this week, especially this month, and I could get that loss back, you know. So really, that's why I really wasn't mad, and that's why I really didn't chase something else. Well, because one, I didn't see nothing that was worthy, and if I already lost on this, I'm not going to chase it. And this is why you need to be really disciplined and control your emotions and journal, so you know where you're going right and where you're going wrong. But yeah, having an abundant mindset and knowing that you're going to get way more opportunities in the future will basically save your account. Because with trading, you basically trade to survive another day. That's it. Because it's so easy to just click one button and lose your whole account. But yeah, gotta be really disciplined. And yeah, that's how I lost. That's how I lost $80 today, and I made it worse. And then yeah, like don't get me wrong, I could have hold and then could have made that $100, but it is what it is, you know. You really can't dread on what you could have done. You just gotta know what you did and study what you did. But yeah, guys, down $84 today. And what's going to be the plan for the rest of the month? Again, just downsize a lot, and just go for the base hits. I'm gonna set out a goal for me, and it's going to be to at least make $25 every single day. That's going to be one of my goals, and it's attainable because I've done it already. But yeah, that's a plan for the rest of the month. Just keep on hitting those consistent base hits and try and make $25, because if I do consistently for the rest of the month, I would get myself out of this hole, and I would end this month profitable. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today. We'll come back tomorrow and the rest of the week so I can show you guys my progress. And yeah, just follow for more. And if you guys watch to the end, thank you so much, guys, because it really means a lot to me. I love doing these videos because one, they help me, and if a newbie is looking at these videos, you'll basically know what to avoid doing so you could be profitable, and you could skip all of the 7 months I basically had, all of the 5 months I had of just straight losing money. But yeah, guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. It will mean a lot to me. And wisdom out.